One day, everything you own will stay behind. Your money, your house, your possessions, none of them can go with you. So Jesus asked us today, what treasure are you really living for? In today's gospel, Jesus says, do not store up treasures on earth, but store up treasures in heaven. Earthly treasure can be lost, stolen, or destroyed. But the treasures of heaven, love, kindness, faith, generosity, and forgiveness, last forever. Many people spend their whole lives chasing success, only to discover that money cannot heal a broken heart, or restore a wounded relationship, or give true peace. Deep inside, every human heart longs for something more. Jesus reminds us that our greatest treasure is not what we possess, but who we become. Every act of love, every prayer, every sacrifice, every time we forgive, these are treasures stored in heaven. Today, let us ask ourselves, where is my treasure? Because where our treasure is, there our heart will be also. Choose what lasts. Choose what brings you closer to God. For the greatest treasure is a heart that loves God and loves others. Amen.